Atika.
I'm Asha.
And together it's kind of cheesy.
Hi.
I'm Atika.
And I'm Asha.
And together we're from
Wandering
Wanderers. Okay, that's kind of cheesy, but it's okay. We're really excited. We're really excited to have you join us on the 8th of November for our very first WW Conversations. Where is it going to be?
7378 Northbridge Road.
If you don't know where it is, check on the other video link in this email where you can find directions from Zamzam. Okay? In this email also, you're going to get the itinerary, what you're going to come prepared for, and the directions, and some other nice stuff. So just check the email, okay? Make sure you read it.
Okay, so for WW Conversations, expect lots of fun, lots of laughter, lots of get-togethers, maybe a bit of tears, I don't know, but it's gonna be a hell lot of fun. And come dressed up in your best tea party clothes.
Come with red lips
Yes.
if you can.
Okay. Okay, but till then, see you.
See you. Bye.